Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can check the steps in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display the information. Here we have the step counter right here. Another way to check the amount of steps taken is to wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the activities widget. And here we have the steps, the intensity training, I believe, and the other one, I'm not sure what was this icon. But basically, steps are here, the first information. Another way you can check the steps is to go back to the watch face, press the upper button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the activity records, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the steps. Then you can swipe up on the screen to scroll through the different types of information, and here we have the more detailed information about these steps. And then we have the goal, we have the progression through the week, and the week step counter. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this information on the phone. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Honor Health Mate application. And on the health page, you should see different statistics like steps today and stuff like that. And if we scroll down and tap on steps, we can see even more detailed information daily. We can check weekly, monthly, and yearly. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.